मॅडम
तुमकां खबर आसा फॉरेस्ट कवर कितले आसा ते गोंय राज्यात 61% इज फॉरेस्ट कवर. तुम्ही दिशाभूल जायनाकात. आय कॅन गिव यू फॅक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स. 61% इज फॉरेस्ट कवर. प्रायवेट फॉरेस्ट कितले नोटिफाय जाला ते तुमकां खबर आसा? 9 crore square meters of forest has been notified and published also by the current forest minister, who also happens to be the TCP minister. And I think he's a very learned, experienced minister who has been in active politics for the last 20 years. And ji kide utara diwpak jay, any answers diwpak jay, he will give on the floor of the house. So I just want to tell you and everybody in Goa, 61% of forest cover is Goa. We are the 4th largest itli land Mankoli state. Private forest has been notified in 2025 by the current TCP and forest minister, 9 crore square meters. Thank you very much.